Avi, good morning. How you doing today?
Good morning. We're back after Yontif, and we're back into work, business. Tina Stadlis.
That's it. We're standing in the epicenter of the world, 13th Avenue and 51st Street. Can't get more center.
The heart of Barber Park.
Avi, what's coming?
So this Sunday morning, we're doing something very special. The Barber Park JCC is going to be offering to Barber Park and beyond a business breakfast, an opportunity for high-level executives and buyers of all the businesses you see here, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's wholesale, whether it's retail, service industry, all different businesses. You'll have the opportunity to come, grab a cup of coffee, have a lavish breakfast, but most important, network and network and network. Meet people, shake hands, set up meetings. This is a place for serious buyers. That's why we're setting it up, because we believe that Barber Park has the most vibrant businesses ever.
By far. I can attest to that.
Really great. You walk in Brooklyn Square, you walk in all these offices, Tower 45, and tons of these businesses are modernizing, and there's so much businesses in Barber Park. We need to have our own once a year opportunity for business owners to come together and just share information, shake hands, get to know people, set up meetings, and grow your business. And Barber Park JCC is determined to helping businesses. We feel this is a great way of helping families, helping people prosper, Be'ez Hashem, doing our Shtadlis. So we're doing it this Sunday at 11 o'clock. Where, Chaim?
Where?
Right here at our new BPJC Community Center.
Unbelievable. This gorgeous, state-of-the-art, brand new JCC Community Center in the center of Barber Park. Avi,
it's going to be the highest level of presenters. We're going to have information on AI for small businesses, a panel led by Ellie Langer from Kosher Money.
Oh, wow.
We're going to have a panel. By the way, that's
Barber Park. We love it.
That's the vibrancy of Barber Park. We're going to have a panel on sales to help people how to get more customers, not to oversell, not to undersell, keep customers. So it's going to be a panel by Yossi Itzkowitz, Chaim Goldmunzer, CPA,
biggest salespeople
and Menashe Friedman, a renowned sales coach. We're also going to learn about we're going to learn about cash flow, SBA funding, and most importantly, get to meet business owners.
This is your opportunity. Get to meet your fellow companies in Barber Park, whether it's retail, wholesale, IT, tech, anything in the industry, every industry. If you're in Barber Park, you're going to be there.
Once a year opportunity. And Chaim, you know more than anyone, because you go around from business to business. This is what you do. And I'm framing you the Barber Park business promoter. That's what we're going to
happy to
brand you.
So I think we're going to throw in a raffle as well. For all the businesses that come down there, they're going to go into a raffle to win a free vlog from Chaim Perlowitz status.
Well, that's an extra bonus.
Can we give a discount for the people showing up?
Chaim, of course, your loyal followers. On the registration, which you'll see over here on the link, there's a discount code called Perlowitz. Can't forget that, Perlowitz. If you don't know how to spell it, make sure to know how to spell it. Perlowitz.
We all know how to spell that.
And that will give you a special 25% discount for your fans. Chaim, it's amazing. We're excited. We're going to see everyone with a cup of coffee this Sunday.
This Sunday.
Learn, grow,
Nobody
network.
works Sunday anyway, huh? Who works on Sunday?
Yes.
So 11 o'clock is a perfect time.
Yeah.
Not too early, not too late. Kevin, you're enjoying a breakfast anyway. Come have breakfast out with Avi and the whole Barber Park community at Barber Park JCC.
Your network,
business owners.
Your network is your net worth. So the more people you get to know,
your network is the net worth.
Your network is your net worth. You get to know more people. You get to build your business, and that's the hope. If this is successful, and this will be successful, we'll do it again. But for now, this is an annual opportunity for Barber Park businesses to come together. If you're outside of Barber Park and you want to delve into Barber Park, you want to get to to benefit from Barber Park business.
You want to open a business one day in Barber Park, this is the time to be here.
This is also the opportunity, but don't miss it. This Sunday, 11 o'clock here at the Barber Park JCC Community Center at 5102 13th Avenue. This will be a sold-out event, so make sure to reserve your spot so that you're there. And looking forward for you to benefit, to learn, to grow, and share your feedback, because we're looking to improve this and to make this better and better. But this is the opportunity to be together with hundreds of different businesses that you could all benefit from.
What I love about this, Avi, people always running to different conferences, different expos, all over the place, in the whole, different states, different countries even. This is in Barber Park, for Barber Park. You got to be here.
Absolutely, Chaim. And you're going to be there, Chaim, as the emcee.
I'm going to be there as the emcee.
That's
looking forward to
added flavor.
Greet and meet the whole entire community. Thank you, Avi. Kevin, look who we bumped into. Ben Barber, the legendary Ben. Wie viel you hast schon in the store in Barber Park?
In 1974.
Wow, über 50 you hast a retail store in Barber Park.
74, 75.
From the biggest retail stores, Ben Barber, the famous Ben Barber. What's the meaning of the upcoming brunch in Barber Park JCC?
I think it will be a beautiful thing. Mit zusammennehmen, everybody. In met ons lernen de oile, we zijn machen business.
That's it. Man sich treffen eine oder andere.
geben Ideas eine von der andere, mit der durchschmissen, jeder eine geben sein Knowledge. Und dadurch kommen 2 Menschen zusammen, sind mehr wie 4 Menschen extra.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, so Ben Barber, looking forward to seeing you there this Sunday and greeting everybody. And the beautiful thing about it is, I'm not einer, was schon business, schon über 50 Jahre, and it's going to be somebody who just started a couple of months ago business. Everybody together, meet and greet and have a great time. Looking forward to seeing you. In the middle of a working day, it's 3:20 in the afternoon. I came up here to meet the business owner of Toys for You, Yossi Yitzkevich. Yossi, this is how you make business, huh? Man sitzt am Land und der Schäfer kommt. Yossi, are you looking forward for this Sunday?
Ja, met Hashem. Sunday, hope to see everybody. And sehen wir, we can aufziehen, helfen anderen.
It's going to be beautiful. Can you imagine all the Barber Park stores, owners, not only retail stores, wholesale, tech, IT, jeder, was hat a business at Barber Park is going to be there. It's going to be beautiful to meet and greet everybody, schreien them, friends.
Sehen wir, we can aufziehen, einer Rosa einen zweiten. See?
It's unbelievable. I don't think there's ever such a thing. Just Barber Park store owners, business owners.
Really looking forward.
Yossi, looking forward to seeing you and meeting all the store owners in Barber Park. Baruch Hashem, we have the schist to promote so many stores and to see them all under one roof, says I'm beautiful. Chevra, looking forward to seeing you all. Chevra, moving down 13th Avenue, and we had to do about 13th and 45th with Moshe Aaron from Signature Silver. Moshe Aaron, how are you looking forward for the big brunch coming up Sunday?
Really looking forward to meet and greet neighbors, vendors. Looking forward to meet you, Chaim.
It's going to be the emcee, Baruch Hashem. It's going to be not only retail stores, it's going to be IT, any business in Borough Park, from office workers, people who sit in offices and tech companies and everything, wholesale, retail. It's going to be beautiful.
The Barber Park vibe, for businesses do.
Barber Park is booming. Barber Park is probably the most. This avenue, 13th Avenue, is probably the strongest business block in the world, if you could say. Right? You got a Yiddish world for sure.
Good economy or the niche?
Solid economy, and it's going to be such a beautiful event. Moshe, I'm looking forward to seeing you. Bring it about Pushtika Zilber. Kevin, if you're walking down 13th Avenue, big chances are you're going to bump into Mati from Glitz. Well, Mati is the Ish 13th Avenue, Glitz located on 13th and 40th.
There's no traffic anymore. There's traffic.
Let me hear, Mati, how are you looking forward for the big event by Barber JCC for the store owners?
We're looking forward for the MC. Who's going to be the MC, Chaim?
It's going to be a shine
talk
MC.
about
We're going to talk about Glitz. We're going to talk about
100%.
all the stores in Borough Park, all the
how
beautiful
we can help out the stores, what we can do better.
And what we could make better for the local store owners in Borough Park. It's going to be beautiful because the wholesalers are going to be there, the retails. You haven't met, tell me the truth. You haven't met the owner of City Cafe? No, because he's on 18th Avenue, you're on 13th Avenue. 100%. You haven't met the owner of the manager of Toys for You? But Akapun, the kid is, we're all going to meet each other, greet each other, say hi, greet, ideas, share business.
The amazing event. And to help out each other. It's going to be a lavish breakfast.
Just save you space for Sunday. So it's going to be a beautiful breakfast, lunch, brunch. It says on Shine MC, Shine a panel. It's going to be beautiful. Looking forward to seeing you there, Mati.
Thank you.